YouTube. This is Lazy Jason, Lazy Scream. We're gonna be making a paper claw. So yeah, here we go. It's like cool. So next video we'll be making a balloon. So stay tuned for that. Don't look down there. Okay, so all you're gonna need is one piece of paper. I got a little new table, it's a green table. So green table. Still nothing but the table. If you just fold the okay, now here. Record in it. I think you gotta get like right here. Here, recorder. Just get the table, nothing else. All you can see is green table. Okay, all you're gonna have to do is turn around. Okay, so it's like you're gonna have to do this one simple crease that in my channel I've been doing besides that one jet I've made. Yeah. So yeah. Make a crease as well. And now with this, like this okay, so like this. Now you're gonna have to fold all the way down. Okay, so you're gonna have to like fold this all the way, come down, meet right there, like that, guys. And then now we're gonna have to take this piece over here and fold it like this. Like that. Make creases as well. So now you have something that looks like this. Alright? So it's cool, right? Box. Yay, box. No, I'm just going make it like that. Like a triangle. Like that. Triangle. So flip this over like that. Like that. Now you just want to put it over like that. There'll be a hole right here. Tuck it under. Like that. Then you have your claw. There'll be a hole you can stick your finger inside of it. So then you have your paper claw. And there's a channel that we've been wanting to watch our thing. It's called, Lacey, what is it called? What is it called? What's that channel called that we wanted to watch our channel? That we commented to?
Oh, Cynthia something.
Yeah, so put it on your finger. We'll let you go and wear it. Okay, put it, you gotta go down with it. It's a detail. Okay, yeah, cool. So please comment, like, subscribe, share. See you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.